Let me put a very funny question to you. If you don't have a good oral health, and nowadays, you kiss someone, you do a, you smooth someone, and someone is not having good health, तो आप ट्रांसफर करते हो germs?
That is a basic common sense. आपकी body fluid, right from your saliva to sweat to blood, anything which is your body fluid, any bad bacteria, viral infections, you can transmit it to your partner. In fact, there is a term called kissing's disease.
Kissing disease.
Kissing disease. There is a disease called kissing disease. It's a viral infection. जो आप kiss से from your saliva, you can transfer it to your
So
partner.
that means people kissing each other, like lip to lip smooch, they're smooching each other. If one doesn't have a good oral health, that person can transfer disease to the other
You
person.
might not transfer bad oral health to the other person.
Hanji.
That is a wrong thing to say. You can't transfer. If I have tartar in my mouth, I'm not going to kiss and make him into a bad oral health person. No. If I have a viral infection in my body and if I've kissed somebody, I will definitely transfer it.
Viral infection in your body.
Definitely.
Then definitely it will go.
Definitely.
आपके माउथ में, I don't know, this is related to you, आपके माउथ में ulcers जब होते हैं teeth में, and then also then you're more prone to infection because आपके cuts हुए हैं mouth में.
Ulcers
means you have an upset stomach, right?
Upset stomach hai. Matlab ulcers, there are a lot of reasons why a person can have an ulcer. If the ulcer is due to a viral infection, yes, it can be transferred. It is a byproduct of viral infection. So again, the same thing.
Okay.
कि अगर आप viral infection transfer करो, उसकी वजह से ulcer हो रहा है ना.
Okay.
Ulcer is a byproduct of something else. It is not the disease.
Okay. I will ask this question. काफी लोग के दिमाग में चलता रहता है. I don't know how to put it, but when people get intimate, right? They do, like आपने बोला smooch के बारे में बोला कि if you have a bacterial infection, you transfer to the other person, right? अब हमें तो पता नहीं है कि other person has it or not. There is no way we can find it out. It's just like if it happens to you, it happens to you. But people do get intimate in many deeper ways, right? Right. They use their mouth for touching your private parts and all those kind of things. It is not healthy, or it is healthy.
I am not the person to say it's unhealthy. It is a consensual thing happening between two adults, right?
Right.
So I don't think so. There is
Because
anything.
this is oral health.
But there is nothing called as I wouldn't say when something consensually is happening, there is nothing right and nothing wrong. It is between two people. What you need to be aware
Yes,
about
that is what I'm talking
is if you are a person who has multiple partners, then you need to be a little watchful. Because like we say, when I had become a dentist, or if somebody becomes a doctor, the first thing we say is कि when a patient is walking into the clinic, we assume the patient has HIV, hepatitis C, ऐसी बीमारियां उसको है. आप ये assume कर, okay?
अच्छा, जो भी आ रहा होता है,
जो भी आ रहे होते हैं, हम assume करते हैं कि ये उसको है. तो अब अपने आप को safeguard करके चलना है. तो similarly, when you are sexually active and active with multiple partners, then you have to be very, very careful. And there is no parameters to gauge कि इसको हो सकता है, इसको नहीं हो सकता.